Hi, this is Ravi here, and now I'm going to talk about Limsi 500, Strength 500. Limsi chewable tablets are manufactured by Abbott Healthcare Private Limited, and salt compositions ascorbic acid 500 in orange flavor, and Limsi tablets contains vitamin C as nutritional supplement. These are chewable tablets, so you have to just before the tablets in your oral cavity before swallow. Vitamin C is a water soluble vitamin. It play an important role in human health and disease, and you can store these tablets 25 degrees centigrade. And vitamin C is an essential nutrient involved in the repair of tissue. Also help in boost immunity, keep out of reach of children. So use here and formation of collagen main structural protein as the component of connection tissue. Bone tissue formations, iron and hemoglobin metabolism, tyrosine metabolism, folic acid metabolism, peptide hormone synthesis. Ascorbic acid is a strong antioxidant, preventive action on cataract and chronic disease. Also helps prevent iron deficiency, boost immunity, and protect memory and thinking as age increase. So now here formation of collagen main structural protein, useful in case of pregnancy and lactations, and it may help manage high blood pressure. It may lower risk of heart disease, reduce blood uric acid levels, and help prevent gout attacks. Basic use of Limsi 500, used to treat scurvy disease in mouth. Very dry hair that cures as a break of close to skin, hair fall also, to enhance immunity in COVID-19 patient, to weakness and illness in body, to treat skin problems such as acne or pimples on your face. Now here daily dose of Limsi 500, 1 tablets per day, 500 daily, or vitamin C is enough to achieve health result of vitamin C deficiency. In other disease condition only 1 tablets per day, and during COVID-19 infection take 3 tablets per day. Most likely to experience digestive symptoms if you consume more than 2000 mg at once, means 4 or more Limsi per day. So some studies found that consuming too much Limsi may increase the amount of oxalate in your kidney, which has the potential to lead to kidney stone, digestive distress, heartburn, GERD, diarrhea, gas, stomach pain, headache. A lot of problems you will face, and you will have to face a lot of problems when you take this medicine more than 4 tablets, 3 tablets or 4 tablets. So vitamin C may cause iron overload in body, and some people say about this Limsi tablets, if you take this medicine Limsi 500 regularly, your face will be fair, but this is not true really. Thank you for watching this video.